Good morning. Welcome back to the class. In the last class, we started already miscellaneous exercise questions. 1, 2, 3, 2 questions finished. This is the third question: cos alpha, cos beta. Cos alpha, cos beta, cos alpha, sin beta, minus sin alpha, minus sin beta, cos beta 0, sin alpha, cos beta, sin alpha, sin beta, cos alpha. This we have to expand. Expansion, you know. But looking like a bit complicated. Looking like a bit complicated. If you know the concept, nothing is there. What concept you know? You should know how to expand this one. That's it. Then it will be easiest one. No problem at all. Solution. We have to evaluate. We have to evaluate this one. Okay? Expansion. By using which row or which column? I think better by using third column. Otherwise second. Instead of second row, better take third column. Third column I am expanding. Minus sin alpha 0 cos alpha. Okay? 0 cos alpha. Minus sin alpha. First row, last column remove. Minus sin beta into this one. Minus this one into this one. Sin alpha, sin beta, sin alpha, sin beta into sin beta, sin square beta. Okay, now immediately minus. This one into this one. Sin alpha, cos beta, sin alpha, cos beta into cos beta, cos square beta. Right? Next 0 into y to right. Actually, it is minus 0. Minus 0 plus 0 both are same. Okay, better write minus 0. Why? You may get doubt after few days why. Sorry, anyhow, plus 0 minus 0 both are same. But here minus 0 we have to write now. Okay, write like that. What is that? Next, cos alpha. Why minus 0? Remember, pattern shape. Whatever is here, change the sign. Okay? It may be minus 0 plus 0 both are same. No need to take tension about that. Cos alpha is here, remove this row and this column, multiply these two. Cos alpha, cos beta into cos beta. Cos alpha, cos beta into cos beta, cos square beta, immediately minus. Cos alpha sin beta into minus sin beta. Minus is there, this minus, that minus becomes plus. Cos alpha, sin beta into sin beta, sin square beta. Appearance is big, simplification is small. Multiply with this. Otherwise take minus sin alpha common. Minus sin alpha is here. Into. Take minus sin alpha common. Then what will be inside? What will be there inside? Sin square beta plus cos square beta. Minus sin alpha went out, sin square beta plus cos square beta plus cos alpha into cos alpha common, cos square beta plus sin square beta equals to minus sin alpha into minus sin alpha, sin square alpha into 1 cos square alpha into 1. Okay, now cos square beta plus sin square beta is 1. This will be cos square alpha. This value is 1. This is the sin square alpha. Finally, it becomes sin square alpha plus cos square alpha equals to. Appearance is big. Simplification is very small. Within 4 minutes, we finish the question. If I don't solve this question, few students solve. But few students will be in thinking only, oh my God, how to solve. Its appearance is very big, terrific, oh my God. Start solving the problem, then you will understand. See what difficulty is there in this. Simple question. Next question, Baba. If A, B and C. If A, B and C are real numbers, and delta equal to B plus C plus A plus B, C plus A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C plus A equal to 0. Show that either A plus B plus C equals to 0 or A equal to B equal to C. Here a small twist is there. They did not give options. Solve the following questions. Solve any two of the following questions. 3 questions they give. Solve any two means you can solve these two or these two or these two. Choice option is there. Either these two or these two or these two. Here they did not give choice. Either we can prove this one, otherwise this one. The thing what we have to prove like this only. We too have to prove that, okay Baba, from this A plus B plus C equal to 0, otherwise A equal to B equal to C. That is the meaning of the question. They did not give options to us. You can prove this one, otherwise this one. Only one you have to prove. No. We too have to prove both like this, and we too have to tell that either this one equal to 0 or this one. That is the question to do. Solution. Delta equal to 0. What is delta? B plus C, C plus A plus B, C plus A plus B, B plus C, A plus B plus C, C plus A equal to 0. They did not ask us to prove this one. Prove this one. That's why we have to take 0 in the beginning only. In the beginning steps itself. From the beginning steps itself we have to take equal to 0. Property, operation. C1 I am going to change like C1 plus C2 plus C3. That work you have to do in rough. What is C1? Write down. What is C2? Write down. What is C3? Write down. Add all the things you have already seen in elementary operation, which is not in the syllabus. That video already over. That video already you have seen. Already you have learned and removed from the syllabus. Okay, no, nothing worry. It will be helpful in determinants. Right. C1 plus C2 plus C3. First column plus second column plus third column. If you add all these things, you will get like this: 2A plus 2B plus 2C. First column we are changing. That's why in the place of first column only we have to write. Okay. Remaining columns will be as it is: C plus A plus B, B plus C. Sir, we did not understand this. How you got? You try over interrupt. You try interrupt. You will get so many operations we did. It is not difficult operation. So you write what is C1. What are the elements? B plus C, C plus A, B plus C, C plus A plus B. That is C1. C2. What is C2? Second column. C plus A. What is C3? C3. A plus B, B plus C, C plus A. A plus B, B plus C, C plus C. Add all these things. B plus C plus C plus A plus A plus B. A plus A 2A, B plus B 2B, C plus C 2C. 2A plus 2B plus 2C. That's what I wrote. Remaining you finish. So we can take 2A plus 2B plus 2C compound. What is left? 1, 1, 1. C plus A plus B, B plus C, A plus B, B right? Okay, 2 common, a plus b plus c it becomes. 3 ones in column. 1 minus 1 0, 1 minus 1 0. 2 zeros we can get easily. So R2 we are changing like R2 minus R1. R3 we are changing like R3 minus R. First row will be as it is. Second row minus first row. You try in rough, you will get if you try in rough. You try in rough, you will get definitely. R2 minus R1, 1 minus 1 C. A plus B minus C minus A. Minus A plus A cancel. B minus C. B plus C minus A minus B. Minus B plus B cancel. C minus A. Next R3 minus R1, 1 minus 1 C. B plus C minus C. B plus C minus C minus A. Plus C minus C cancel. B minus A. Plus A minus A cancel. C minus B. Okay. So 2 into A plus B plus C into determinant equals to 0. 2xy equal to 0 means xy equal to 0 means x equal to 0 or y equal to 0. Right? X equal to 0 or y equal to 0. Some people will write like this also. Some people will write like this also. No problem. 2x equal to 0 or y equal to 0. In the next step x equal to 0 or y equal to 0. That is also okay. Like here what I am doing here and what I am doing here. I am doing same like that. 2 into a plus b plus c equal to 0 or this determinant 1 c plus a plus b 0 b minus c c minus a 0 b minus a c minus b equal to 0. 2 will not be 0, so a plus b plus c equal to 0. Expand this by using first column because 2 zeros are there. B minus c into c minus b minus b minus a into c minus a. Sir did not understand. You expand by using first column. You please believe me. You know the method how to expand the determinant by using first column. Instead of looking at this how you got, instead of thinking and scratching your head, you expand this one by using first column. You too will get the same thing. Please believe me. You too will get the same thing. You try. Okay. Right. This will be there or this will we are going to simplify. Every time a plus b plus c equal to 0 or something. A plus b plus c equal to 0 or something. A plus b plus c equal to 0 or something. Not necessarily understood that it is there. This part already we proved. We are trying to prove for this. Okay, coming to this one. Multiply. Better. B minus a. What is here? B minus a. C minus a. That's right. Okay. B minus c. I am taking B minus c. B minus c into. I am writing it as B minus c. Is it okay? Minus of B minus c. C minus b. I will multiply directly by this. Few people cannot understand. Directly I will multiply whatever happens, let us later. B into C, B, C, okay. B into minus B square, okay now. Minus C into C, minus C square, okay. Minus C into C, minus C square. Minus into minus plus B, C. Okay. Minus B into C, minus B, C. Minus B, C. Minus B, C. Okay. Minus b into minus a plus ab. Minus b into minus a plus ab. Minus into minus plus a into c plus ac. Minus into minus plus a into minus a minus equal to 0. Plus BC minus BC cancel. Then what I am doing? AB plus BC plus AC minus A square minus B square minus C square is there. To make it systematic way, I am taking minus common. Okay now? Minus A square minus B square minus C square minus into minus AB plus AB plus BC plus AC. Yeah, it is there. Okay now? A square plus B square plus C square minus BC minus CA equals to 0. Next step, don't ask why we are doing like this. Sir, why? What I am telling, don't ask. That is our right to ask. Don't ask, that's it. Don't ask. Multiply with 2. I will tell Baba, wait. Why we are multiplying with 2? I will tell. Multiply with 2. 2a square. 2b square. 2c square. 2ab, very good, fantastic. 2bc minus 2ca equal to 0. Right? Here, 2ab minus 2ab with the minus 2ab, a square plus b square is there means I can write a minus b whole square. Right? Minus 2ab with the minus 2ab. If a square plus b square is there, then I can write a minus b whole square. Right? 2a square plus 2b square is there. 2a square is there. I am writing a square plus a square. Any problem? A square plus a square, 2a square. Sorry, a square plus a square, 2a square only. One is here, one is there. Why? Right. A square plus a square, 2a square. Plus b square plus b square, 2b square. B square plus B square, 2B square. 2C square is there. C square plus C square. C square plus C square. C square plus C square, 2C square. Okay. Minus 2AB. Minus 2BC. Minus 2AC. Minus 2CA, minus 2AC. Okay now. Sir, why did you write like that? To write in the standard form. To write in the standard form. A square plus B square minus 2AB, A minus B whole square. B square plus C square minus 2AC, B minus C whole square. A square plus C square minus 2AC, A minus C minus C whole square. A, B, B, C, C. Okay? Did you understand why we multiplied with 2 now? We want 2 times A square, 2 times B square, 2 times C square, 2 times AB, 2 times BC, 2 times 2 times CA. Then only we can write like this. Because of that reason we multiplied with 2 on both sides. You may get doubt at the time of preparation. Since multiplied with 2 on both sides, biological science name, both sides. Right? Here one concept is there. This concept you have to understand. For example, we are solving one question. X square plus y square plus z square equal to square of any number, any real number is positive. Square of any real number is positive. Square of any real number is positive. Square of any real number is positive. that positive number? 3 plus 3 plus 3, 0? No. Minus 1, positive. 2 plus 2 plus 2, 0. 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 0. In day-to-day life, in normal language, if you want to speak, nothing plus nothing equal to something. No, so nothing only. Right? Same way. 0 plus 0 plus 0 equal to 0. If it is 0, if it is 0, if it is 0, then only sum will be 0. Square of something, square of something, square of something equal to 0 means this is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. This also equal to 0. Okay now. Then A equal to B, B equal to C, C equal to A. Therefore A equal to B equal to C. Therefore A plus B plus C equal to 0 or A equal to B equal to C. Clear? Right. Next question onwards, maximum homework questions. Show that, okay, next question, not possible to review homework. Okay, question is solve. Solve x plus a, x plus a, x plus a equal to 0. We have to solve, comma a not equal to 0. Question is to solve. Question is to solve, not to prove that. Solve means find x. Sir, why are you shouting like that? Solve we can understand. You can understand now in the examination. If we give the same question, people are going to prove it. How can you prove that? What is the answer for this one? Solution. What is the answer? X plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to 0 minus 1. X equal to minus 1. This is the answer. Correct. 1 mark you will get. If we ask this question in the examination, what the students are doing, LHS equals to x plus 1 equals to 1 plus x equals to x plus 1 equal to 0 equal to RHS. This is not sufficient. Hence the proof at the end. What is hence the proof? What is there to prove that? Question is not to prove that. Question is solve. Same like this. Question is solve. Sir, why are you shouting like this? Same thing will come in inverse trigonometry chapter also in the coming chapter. The coming chapter, Avantika sir is going to take. The inverse trigonometry chapter will come. In that chapter also same type of question will be there. So you should not do like this. Okay? Question is solve. Solve is equal to 0. We have to solve this one. We should not take LHS, we should not take RHS. Just now I have proved. We should not take LHS, we should not take RHS. Then what to take means both we have to take. Question is solved. Okay? Right. Then what to do? Expansion. Instead of expanding directly, better apply the property. It will be simple. It makes you more easy. So what I am doing, it is symmetric. A dash equal to A. It is symmetric. Whatever the operation you can do for rows, same operation you can do for columns also. Okay, that's why what I am doing, I am going to change the first column like this. You try in rough, you will get like this. X plus x3, x plus x 3x, 3x plus a, 3x plus a. Second column is this. Okay? You try in rough. Sometime back I shouted like anything. You try in rough. 3x plus a common. Right? 3x plus a. Again one more operation. 3 ones are there. 1 minus 1 0. R2 minus 1. R2 I am changing. R3 I am changing. First row will be as it is. 1 minus 1 0. X plus a minus x. Minus x plus x cancel a. X minus x 0. 1 minus 1 0. X minus x 0. X plus a minus x a equal to 0. In the shape of L, 3 zeros are there. In the shape of 7, 3 zeros we find. Or in the shape of L, if we find the 3 zeros, then what can we do? No need to expand determinant just by multiplying principal diagonal elements. Okay? 3x plus a into 1 into a into 1 into a into equal to 0. 3x plus a into a square equals to 0. In the question they gave a not equal to 0. A not equal to 0 means a square also not equal to 0. A square not equal to 0. Therefore 3x plus a equal to 0. Question is solved. It is understood that solve for x is the question. It is understood that solve for x. Okay, x equal to minus a by 3. That is the answer. X equal to minus a by 3. Let us stop with this, otherwise shall we finish here? Next concept also. Yeah, I can finish next concept. That is better. Still time is there. Next question answer we do. After that working starts. Mostly. Next class, maybe the last class, I'll see. One question I can give homework. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 3, 4 questions are there I have to solve. Maybe next class, maybe the last or next class. That's it. Within 2 classes. That's it. Okay. Prove that both are same. A square BC. AC plus C square. AC plus C square. A square plus AB. A square plus AB. B square. AC. AB B square. AB B square plus BC. C square equals to 4a square b square 6. 4a square b square 6. This is the first question for this class. Last question for this class. A square bc ac plus c square. C square plus c square. A square plus ab b square ac. ab b square plus bc. B square plus BC, C square, 4a square B square C square. So here what I am doing, solution. 4a square plus 4a square B square C square is the answer. That we have to do. LHS equals to LHS equals to a square plus AB minus this one, BC plus B square. This one Any two rows we have to add and subtract third. That is the thing. Why? Because a square plus ab. If you add first row and third row and subtract this one, it gets cancelled. 0 will come. 1 0 enough. In this type of, okay, we can take a common. That is more better, right? A square plus ab. Ab is the a common. Taking common. Taking common. A comma b and c from C1, C2 and C3. From first column A went out. From second column B went out. From third column C went out. A went out, A plus B, B went out, CB, BC. C went out, AC, right. Okay. Now, what I am doing? I am going to change R1, R3 I am going to add. R1 I am going to change R1 writing of and R3 writing of. Add both. R1 will be like this, A plus B, B plus 2C, R1 and R3, A plus 2C, right? Second row, third row, keep as it is, A plus B, B, A, B, B plus C, C. Okay, now equals to A, B, C. Now what I am doing? A, B, C. Second row minus first row. Second row minus first row. This is only by practice, that's it. We can't by heart. Second row minus first row, try in the R2, write R2, write R1, write subtract. Subtract means signs get changed. First row will be as it is. First row will be as it is. Second row minus first row, A plus B minus of A plus B, 0. B minus 2C minus 2C. A minus 2C minus 2C. B, this will be as it is. R2 only we are changing. Okay? ABC is outside, keep as it is. We can take minus 2 common from second row. Minus 2 common from second row. Right? First row will be as it is. Minus 2 common. Minus 2C common. Minus 2C common. Minus 2C common. Right? Minus 2C went out 1, 1. B plus C. B plus C. C. If you have patience, then you can do. If you have patience, then you can do 1 minus 1 0. One more 0. Expansion will be easy. No patience, then expand it. Right? Here I have patience. So that's why 2A2 minus 2C into ABC. What I am doing? C2 I am changing. Like C2 minus C2. Otherwise I will expand it. Why? Because students also face confusion. Some problem will be there with operations. Minus 2C into ABC. C into C, C square. Okay. Expansion by using first column. First column. A plus B, 0. By using first column. A plus B, 0. Because 0 is here, we can expand by using first column. A plus B, first column remove 1 into C, C minus C, 1 into C, C minus of B plus C. C minus of B plus C, okay now. Minus 0 plus 0 chalta, no problem. minus 0 plus b, this b, last row, first column remove, b plus 2c into 1, b plus 2c, immediately minus a plus 2c. Okay, now minus 2c into abc, a plus b into minus b, plus c minus c got cancelled, plus b into b plus 2c minus a minus 2c, minus 2c plus 2c got cancelled, equal to minus 2c into abc, a into minus b minus ab, minus b square plus b square plus b square minus a plus b square minus b square got cancelled, minus 2c into abc into minus 2ab, minus into minus plus 2 into 2 4, abc into ab, c into abc into ab, a square b square c square. That is our RHS. Okay, that is the thing we have to prove. And now I start homework questions to give. Which questions you can do homework that I can give now, so that way you can solve. The question is, if A inverse equals to 3 minus 1 1 minus 15, 6 minus 5, 5 minus 2, 2, B equal to 1 2 minus 2, minus 1 3 0, 0 minus 2, 1. Find AB whole inverse. Find AB whole inverse. Question is to find AB whole inverse, but they did not give A. They gave A inverse. Instead of finding A from A inverse, if we get A multiplying A and B and finding inverse for that, it is unnecessary headache. So what we have to do? We have to find inverse for B. You know how to find inverse for the given matrix. So after, by using that method, you will get inverse for B. We know that AB whole inverse equal to B inverse A inverse. We know that AB whole inverse equal to B inverse A inverse. B inverse we got, A inverse they gave already. Just multiply both. Therefore, AB whole inverse equal to B inverse A inverse. B inverse whatever we got, A inverse whatever they gave, multiply. You will get AB whole inverse whatever they asked in the question. Clear? This question do as homework. Sir, finally, in the beginning what we have to do? That's what? First of all, find the inverse for this. Question is to find AB whole inverse. We know that AB whole inverse equal to B inverse A inverse. B inverse here also. A inverse, this question, this one. In the question only they give. Multiply both. Next question, this also common. If A equals to 1 minus 2 1, minus 2 3 1, 1 1 5. Verify that. Verify that. First sub question. You know how to find adjoint. You know how to find inverse of the matrix. Everything you know, only thing you have to verify. Verify. For this, find out A inverse. In that only will get adjoint. For adjoint A, find again inverse. Then try. Find out adjoint of the inverse. You have to find adjoint A first. Then adjoint A inverse. Then you get A inverse also from this. Then what we have to find? Adjoint of A inverse. Okay? Adjoint A whole inverse. Then try to check both whether these two are correct or not. Adjoint of A inverse, adjoint of A whole inverse, whether both are equal or not. Try. A inverse we get. For that again find inverse one more time. We get A. That you have to verify it. Okay, this question also homework. One more question also homework. 1xy. 1x plus y. Y. 1x plus y. Question is evaluate. Evaluate this question. Two ones are there. R2 you have to change. R3 you have to change. By using this property, use this property, use this operation, and here we get 2 zeros, then expand determinant. You get the answer, right? With this I stop. Remaining questions let us see in the next class. Thank you very much.